Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 67 Lemans Convertible GTO badging. So right up front with that. Nice car, just nice driver quality. Might see a few little rock chips here and there. Paint's decent on it, like I said, older on it, but got a good shine to it. Weld Wheels, BF Goodrich tires. Like I said, not a lot of flaws, a few chips here and there. Top's in good shape. Don't really see any issues. Interior's good, except for, full disclosure, right there, driver's seat. His and her shifter, tilt wheel, gauges, bucket seats of the console. So a nice clone. A couple little scratches. Like I said, it's an older restoration. Just the guy drove it. I know him, and he just he had a GTO and this Lemans Convertible GTO clone, and we bought them both from him because he had too many cars. So, like I said, very nice car. There's a chip that's been filled in for driver quality. Perfect for show and shines, cars and coffee, whatever you want to. Actually, a small show, put it in a smaller show, and you can be very proud to own it because good looking car. And one thing about clones, most guys don't know it isn't a GTO. So you look like you're driving a GTO convertible for a lot less money. Let's start up our 67 Lemans Convertible. They added a tach, because you can tell that's newer than the rest of it. Shows 22,850, 5-digit odometer, have no idea. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right, horn works. Blower motor works. Let's see if the radio, oh my God, the radio does work. It's pretty good for that old of a stereo. That's an old 8-track player. There, the wipers working. There's your gauges, 60 pounds of oil pressure, 400 in it, runs nice and strong. I'll show you the lights and take a listen. Power steering, power brakes, course aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb, headers. So a nice driver build. It runs very good. There's your headlights working. And it's hard to tell, but taillights do work. So I believe everything works on this car. So nice driver quality car. Go and have some fun. We're cruising about 60 in our 67 Lemans Convertible GTO badging. They're around about 60 pounds oil compression. It's warmed up around about 180. I've drove this car about 20 miles. Great driving car there. I'm not even touching the steering wheel. Going down the road nice, good, solid, pretty tight for a convertible. Of course, get a little wind noise on these old convertibles. That's just part of it. But just a cool car. Power steering, power brakes, got the his and her shifter. Headers, dual exhaust, so just a nice driver quality build. At 60 miles an hour, running about 2,600 RPM, so nice cruising gears in it.